Hey, this is Steve from MoneySmartFamily.com, and today we're going to show you how we are going to prevent and detect water leaks from under our sink. Money Smart Family. A few months ago, we found some wet items under our sink and turned out that our faucet was leaking. So we had to replace the faucet. But it was really frustrating because the cabinet and items under there had gotten wet and we didn't know about it for weeks. So we installed these items to prevent future leaks. First thing we're going to put in is a SinkMat by Watertech. And then we're going to install a water bug detector that is made by InstaPark. The total cost of this is about $60. But before we show you what we did, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you know whenever we put up a new video. So under our sink, we've got a dual filtration system. We just installed a new Badger garbage disposal, and we redid the plumbing because we had a leak in the trap, and we also installed a new faucet over the top. But today we're going to install a waterproof mat. When we redesigned the kitchen 20 years ago, we put in plywood cabinets, and we're glad we did because we've had some water leaks, and we've also had a grease can leak, and that messed up the surface here, this melamine surface, but it didn't destroy the wood. The wood is solid. But we're going to prevent, or at least protect against future leaks by putting in a waterproof mat. And we bought it from Amazon. And it came delivered in this big box. And so we're unboxing it. I'll show you what it's like. There it is, the SinkMat by Watertech, and it's designed for different size sinks. It's got different ribs, and you can trim it to fit, but this should fit right underneath here. So here we go, lifetime warranty. So the SinkMat that we bought literally slipped in and fit perfectly. If for your sink, you may need to trim it. And then we're ready to put in the water bug. Okay, so all you do to set up this InstaPark water bug is to open the back of the bug, insert your battery, snug fit. Put the lid back on. Okay, and that's just the speaker. There's no knob there. There is a suction cup on the back for sticking it on the wall, but they also give you double-faced foam tape in case your wall can't handle a suction cup. And then you have the sensor, and the sensor sits on this plastic piece, so you put the plastic piece on the ground. And this is what the alarm sounds like. Got a little tray of water, and if this sits in water, that's what the alarm sounds like. Okay, so we mounted the InstaPark on the back wall. I turned it upside down so that the wire would hang straight down, and the water bug is tucked right down there. It's just standing up in the back. It won't be in the way of anything that we stack under the sink. That's it. We've got the SinkMat under the sink now. Now we got the water bug under the sink, and we shouldn't have any more leaks or damage under our sink. If you like this video, leave a comment below, and make sure you hit the like button and share it with a friend or two. Now, watch these videos next.